back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super beautiful, bold makeup look. This look is giving me very much so hot girl summer makeup vibes. Like, this look is reminding me so much of Megan Thee Stallion. My girl is always rocking a super dope cut crease, and I love her. She's different, she's beautiful, and she's an Aquarius like me, sis. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So of course, the eyes are already primed and the brows are already done. Jumping into this palette right here, this is the Makeup Revolution Sophy times Revolution palette. And this one is in the shade or palette Extra Spicy. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is my second time using this palette in general, and my second time using this palette here on my channel. So this is what the palette looks like once again. We're going to be creating a super beautiful neutral cut crease, a full cut crease in today's video. You guys, I was going to film this video in complete silence because I just really felt like I needed to focus. It's been a minute since I did the cut crease. Don't judge me, sis. We're going to see how this turns out. And by the way, you guys, we're going to be using some really small brushes just so that we can create this look without having to do the most.com. And I'm going to go into is chocolate orange, which is this beautiful shade right here. So jumping right into it, the next shade I'm going to go in with is this brown shade right here, and it's called Brownies. So I'm pretty much just taking that shade right in the middle and just blending it out. And I'm being very precise in that area because that is where we want the crease to be cut. And we want this area right here to be super defined. And then towards the tail part of it, you just kind of want to flick it out like in the same motion like if you were to do a wing liner. So I'm just flicking it out. And I'm going to take a little bit more starting in the middle. And I'm just going to flick it out. So now that those shades are down, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And of course, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And this one is in the shade Light Ivory. I know that I look super crazy right now, but just give it a minute, sis, and trust the process, sis. So now that I'm happy with how both of my creases are looking, I'm trying to see if I want to go in with a super nude color on the lid or if I want to do a shimmer. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this nude shade on the lid. It's a matte brown shade. It is called Cookie Dough. Basically going back in, trying to get as close as I can to where the darker shade and the lighter shade meet. And then I'm also taking my baby wipe and I'm just going to clean up this area just a little bit. So because this is a drugstore makeup video, I am going to be using some drugstore glitter liners. I have one from e.l.f., which is a gold one, and then I have this beautiful rose gold one. The rose gold is really calling my name. Like, is really calling my name. I may end up mixing them both together, but I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with this rose gold one. This is by the Magic Collection glitter eyeliner. You can actually find this at your local beauty supply store. It looks like this, and it's just by the Magic collection. But I did a wing liner, and I used this Maybelline liner, the HyperEasy liner, in just the shade black. So lashes are on. We're going to go ahead and move on to the face. So for primer, I am going to be using my Covergirl TruBlend Pore Minimizing Primer. And of course, I'm using my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the L'Oreal Freshwear Foundation. And then for concealer, I'm using this Colourpop concealer in the shade Dark 40. And to go along with this full coverage look, why not go ahead and use this full coverage powder? This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm just going to use this to set underneath my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. And then now for the part that I am most excited about, I am going to be trying this Makeup Revolution Glow Ultimate Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. Y'all look at this packaging. Beautiful. I am so excited because I have not even opened this baby. Like, I'm ready to get in this. This is what it looks like. The packaging is gorgeous, same like the eyeshadow. And this is what the color looks like. On camera, the undertones look super gray. But in person, they kind of look gray a little bit, but not so much how they look on camera. I am nervous about this, you guys. I'm happy, but I'm nervous because I hope it doesn't turn out too gray. It's a warm bronzer, and I like the shade because I feel like it's definitely not too dark and it's not too light, because this bronzer has some really, really deep dark shades. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Enough of me talking. What? Like, oh my God, I'm so excited. Makeup Revolution, what? Like, this is beautiful. Like, it's so soft. So there is some kick up. Hope y'all can see it. There is some kick up. But it really doesn't bother me too much, honestly. But y'all, look at the quality of this bronzer. What? Sis, I am so excited because I thought that this was gonna be too gray. I feel like this is perfect. Like, it's not too red, it's not too warm, it's not too cool. Like, they nailed it. They freaking nailed it. Makeup Revolution nailed it. What? So I guess my camera and this whole shenanigans does not want me to be great today. This is like the second time to cut off. But y'all, let's get back into this bronzer, cause I just cannot. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, girl, I know I have makeup all in my hair, y'all, but at this point, sis, do y'all see that? Like, this is perfect. This is perfect. It's not too warm. It's not warm enough. Like, Makeup Revolution nailed it. The only thing I must say is that I don't like that it has a fragrance to it. I don't really like fragrances in my makeup, and I definitely do not play when it comes to fragrances in my skincare. I can maybe get away with it as far as makeup, but my skincare, I don't like any fragrance at all, because some of these items that I do use have fragrance. You know, if it's good, then whatever. But as far as skincare, no ma'am. And it smells like at the beach. Like, it smells like y'all, it smells like how a bronzer would smell. Like, it gives you summer vibes, beach vibes, coconut vibes, island vibes. Take me there, sis. I need to go there. Like, oh my god, it smells really good. Like, it's crazy. Why does it smell good like that? I plan to do like a bronzer video very, very soon. Alright, so moving on to my cheeks. I want to use like a orange kind of blush. I have no idea where my Saharan blush volume 1 palette is. So we're just going to use this one. I really wanted to use that beautiful orange that's in that palette. But look, sis, we got to use what we got. So this is the close to orange that we're going to get today. And it's like a beautiful coral shade. And I'm just going to apply that to the cheeks. I love peachy orange blushes on women of color. And maybe I gave my Saharan one away because it was a little, you know, it's for my real chocolate girls. You know, I'm like a good caramel piece of candy, but that's for my dark chocolate. That's for my dark chocolate girls. And then for highlighter, I'm going to, well, let's go ahead and snatch the nose before I forget, because I almost forgot. For my highlighter, I'm using an oldie but goodie. This is Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Lips. But before we jump into lips, let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. Finish him, sis. I'm doing nothing major. I'll probably just go ahead and add the shade Brownie, which is right here, to my waterline. And then I'm just taking some bottom mascara and applying it, some mascara, and applying it to my top and to my bottom lashes. So for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take my lip liner in BFF4 by Colourpop. So for the inside of my lip, I'm going to use Toffee Talk, and this is by Wet n Wild as well. I'm going to take just a little bit of this NYX Fortune Cookie. And then I'm going to take some of my clear glosses and put it right on top of everything. So this is pretty much it for this makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely have some more fun, colorful videos coming for you guys. I love summer, you guys, and I enjoy doing these super bold makeup looks for you guys, especially the colorful ones. This kind of toned it down a little bit, but it's still hot, sis. So yeah, if you like videos like these, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.